An arpeggiator is a device or plugin that takes the notes of a static held chord and plays them one at a time rhythmically. So if a player simply holds a chord and then runs that chord into an arpeggiator, the arpeggiator will take the individual notes of the chord and play them in sequence. As the player changes chords, the arpeggiator will follow. Various settings determine exactly what notes will be played and how they'll be sequenced. For example, there'll be a setting for the rate of arpeggiation in musical note values, eighths, sixteenths, etc., synced to the current tempo. There's usually control over the direction of arpeggiation. The notes can be played from bottom to top, top to bottom, both up and down, or both up and down with the highest and lowest notes repeated or not. The arpeggiator can be set to just play the held notes or to create a sequence that includes notes one or more octaves above the original pitches. A latching feature may be included, allowing the arpeggiation to continue when the player releases the chord, making it easier to change chords or add additional parts over the arpeggiated sequence. Some arpeggiators go a step further, so to speak, and many include control over the individual volumes of the steps and options to vary the rhythm and duration of the pattern of arpeggiated notes, turning the arpeggiator into a kind of hybrid arpeggiator sequencer. Arpeggiators can be useful tools for generating busy note runs and industrial-sounding sequences with a minimum of musical effort.